Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and thermal paste. These are essential for a thorough maintenance process. Start by turning off your PS4 and unplugging all cables. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any damage to the console. Once it's completely powered down, locate the screws on the top and bottom of the console. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. After you've removed the screws, gently lift the top cover of the PS4. This exposes the internal components, allowing you to access the fan and heatsink. At this point, if you're not comfortable doing this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, using the can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust accumulated on the fan and heatsink. This step is vital as dust can cause overheating, which can lead to performance issues. Make sure to hold the can upright and use short bursts of air to avoid moisture buildup. Next, take your microfiber cloth and gently wipe down any visible surfaces. Be careful not to touch the internal components too aggressively. If you notice the thermal paste on the CPU and GPU looking dry or cracked, it's time to replace it. To do this, carefully remove the old thermal paste using a lint-free cloth, then apply a small amount of new thermal paste. Remember, a little goes a long way. Once you're satisfied with the cleaning, carefully replace the top cover and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug but don't over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. If you find you're uncertain about any of these steps, don't forget that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid the hassle of travel. Finally, plug all cables back into your PS4, power it on, and check to see if it runs smoothly. If you experience any issues, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect in terms of costs. Regular maintenance like this not only improves performance but also extends the life of your console, allowing you to enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions. In summary, maintaining your PS4 involves using the right tools, cleaning internal components, and replacing thermal paste when necessary. If you're ever in doubt or prefer not to do it yourself, remember, no calls, no travel, and we're here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.